Hi guys, again, Scott here from Outlaw Garage. We're out at the Dubai Autodrome, a natural habitat for the Breadvan. Let's go and have a look around. So let's take a look at what's down here. It says MG Daytona. Look at this. Obviously, track day, we've got a few Porsches. 993. Trans Ams have got a good turnout. So this is a little 911S. We've not really seen this one around, so that's nice to see down here. Be good to see if we can get to see it on track. Old DeLorean as well, shining in the Dubai sunshine. That's looking pretty cool. I could have probably used this to get down here a little bit earlier because I think we missed the briefing session. I don't know if 88 kilometers an hour is going to help us. Lovely hot rod. Love a gold colour, blower out the top. Now the interior, that's stunning in there. Racing harnesses. That's picture perfect. Great colour and stance on the car. That is lovely. Never seen it out here before, so it's a great spot down here. So this is Matt's 356. We've borrowed this to go to the top of Jace before. We will do a feature on this probably in the next few weeks, couple of months. It's a great little car, so Matt's restored this over a period of time. The interior is excellent, and it will get a feature on our channel very soon. So we're in the Breadvan, we're about to go on track. Brace yourselves everybody, this could be the last time you hear from us. I think she's running a little bit better. I think she knows where she's about to go. Tell you what, in Australia this kind of thing will cost a fortune, and then like to be able to organise it and get it done, the insurance and all the organising, it'd just be virtually impossible. Just a fantastic opportunity to be down here in Dubai and just be able to do this kind of thing, especially in a car which is barely road legal, I'd suspect. The Breadvan has come to life. I think you can probably hear just that slight knocking in the background. I think if we rev the engine, if you listen to it, the engine's actually really strong. So I think somewhere along the line, either the exhaust or something's come a little bit loose and she's knocking around a little bit. So I'm hoping that's an easy fix. But again, the Breadvan needs a little bit of work. Everybody on the circuit, as you probably picked up on the video, inside the car the Breadvan's making some kind of horrendous noise. Let's hope that's not terminal again.
How's the car?
Hopefully not terminal.
I might be causing something.
So the event today is organised by the Flat 12 guys and they never disappoint. That looks fantastic. Yellow seems to be our favourite colour of the day, yellow or gold. About to get pushed back by a couple of Porsches. The boys are out. Wouldn't miss an opportunity for the world. So the Cadillac is about to get on track. Final inspection. Everything looks like she's okay. Tyres are checked, brakes are checked. It's amazing what a little spotlight in your hand can pick up. It's great to see that these cars are so loved, but people want to take them out and drive them as well. Like, that's what it's really about. Own it, drive it. The hot rod and the Cadillac go off. Seems to be a standard position for a Porsche down here, rear end back up. Let it cool down a little bit after a few laps. Different styling on this Porsche. I'm not sure about the headlights. I'm not sure. I don't think that's something that I would pick, but still pretty cool, different. So the Cadillac survived its laps out on track. Well done, sir. What a cool lineup. Yeah, I think it's like a Skittles colour. Yeah, I like that. I'm good with a sweet shop.
I'm sure you are. With your Breadvan.
You know the Breadvan?
It's nice.
See?
Needs to have one.
See? See? So we've got the RS, Skittle one. Everybody's fascinated with the headlights of the 964 that's got a 993 turbo, twin turbo engine. And then the 911S. Missed it earlier today, this RS on track. What a shame that is. Would have been great to see this one on track as well with the turbo. What a sight that would have been. I've been thinking about getting a roof rack for the 930. These look pretty cool. I don't mind that on the top of the car. Comments in below if you think we should get one. It seems like we've got a small herd gathering in the corner away from the rest of the pack. I'm not quite sure what that's about, but there's definitely a herd here. Just had a lovely chat with the owner about this car. So it's a 1986. It's got 30,000 kilometers on it, about. It bought it from the US, but it sat for years not being used because it was a European import. 86, 87 it got imported, and perhaps not a lot of people wanted it because it was kind of a grey market car at the time. So he's picked it up, done some work on it. The paint looks great. There's a few little spots which have been repainted over time, but I guess that's like any old car. It looks great on the outside, and we'll have a look on the interior as well, but really, really nice car. Steering wheel change. Gauges look clean, the interior looks fantastic. The shifter's been changed, but he's still got the original. Like, it's really clean and tidy inside. Like, it's a lovely car. True credit to the owner. Well done, lovely. Well, we're back from the circuit with the Breadvan, and it does have a little bit of a noise and a knocking problem. Not as bad as before, and there's definitely power in the engine, and it's ticking over, and the noise isn't consistent at all, but a noise nonetheless. So perhaps the natural habitat of the Breadvan is not the circuit. I'm hoping it is the roads at some point, but we'll have to get that looked at. So we've got a busy schedule over the next couple of weeks, so the Breadvan was going to get parked up so we could fix the drum brakes and do some visual modifications to the Breadvan, which we'll bring to you later. So I guess now we'll also probably pull the engine out again and take a bit of a look on the inside. Fingers crossed, nothing serious. Please like, subscribe. Hopefully the Breadvan has earned a few of those over the period of time. We'll catch you soon, guys, with a new video. See you later.